How's it going, everyone? I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today I'll be talking about the simple steps on how to remove and install a set of side marker lights into your 1979 to 1986 4-eyed Fox body. Today we'll be working with our black 1985 GT as it is currently in need of smaller items that we are gradually addressing. So the side markers of choice are going to be 5.0 Resto side markers designed specifically for 79 to 86 Fox bodies. 5.0 Resto side markers are currently molded from Ford tooling, so fit, finish, and the build quality is right on the money. These side markers are currently available by themselves or in a money-saving kit that includes other components needed for a complete install of your new side markers. Now, just to make everyone aware, the plastic side marker support brackets are sandwiched in between the header panel and front bumper. If you need to replace the support brackets, you'll have to separate the front bumper from the header panel to access these. For this video, I'll be installing new side markers, new retaining screws, and new bulbs. So let's get right into it. Since we'll be working with electrical components, it's always best practice to disconnect the negative battery, so go ahead and do so. Then you can remove the Phillips head retaining screw. Depending on the car, the side markers at times can be a little tricky to remove. I've found that a plastic pry tool works well to remove these from the front bumper. First, place some painter's tape underneath the side marker so that you don't run the risk of marring or scratching the paint. Lift the side marker up from the screw hole with your finger and then carefully bring the bottom of the marker out of the bumper with the pry tool. There is a small tab on the back side of the side marker, so you'll have to bring it down and at an angle to fully remove it from the bumper. Rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise to remove it from the side marker. Use this opportunity to clean any dirt and debris in this area. Replace the bulb if it's needed. Reconnect the negative battery cable and test for operation before putting everything back together. Whenever you verify that the light works, remove the negative cable until you need to verify the other side. Reinstall the light socket into the new housing and rotate clockwise to lock it into place. Position the small upper tab into the front bumper first, followed by the bottom. With the side marker now in place, install a new Phillips head screw and snug it down. Don't crank down too hard on this screw as you will run the risk of damaging your new side marker. Go ahead and repeat these steps for the other side. Reconnect the negative battery cable and then you're good to go. All right, we're definitely making some good headway on our 85 GT. This car was missing a side marker on the driver's side, and if you notice, look how faded the factory reflector was when we compared it to a new one. To see more helpful videos like this one, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications, that way you're notified every time we release new content. Be sure and check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.